Welcome back to the channel, and today I wanted to show you the contents of Delta One's business class amenity kit. Please follow me on Instagram at BrandonJohnson10K for behind the scenes looks at content that I will be reviewing in the future. So this was from flight DL-115 from JFK to Buenos Aires. You got the Missoni casing there. Here you got the toothbrush. Got some socks. I think there's some toothpaste in there with the toothbrush. Got a pen here. Eye mask. Earplugs. Here and here you've got some hand cream inside of this little pouch there. And then you've just got a card about Missoni products there at the end. So those are the contents of Delta One's business class amenity kit, and this was as of December 2024. So we're curious to see if we see new ones in 2025. As always, I appreciate you watching. Please hit the like button, subscribe to the channel if you haven't already, and share this with a friend. Thank you.